thankful to receive the love of God. His only Son, bread broken, wine poured out, a gift so divine. In the Eucharist, His presence will shine. Come to the table, come and see the grace that flows abundantly. Body and blood, a feast for the soul. In the Eucharist, we are made whole. We are made whole. We are made whole.
Karon nga gabi una, kining adlaw, there is hope. Oh, there is hope in our church because of you. There is hope in our church, in our parish, Holy Family Parish of Bulacanon, because of you. So una ang mga kabatanunan no, sa itong parokyano, always alive. Kung sa makapalay ka na ito, kundi mo ang koneksyon nato diha sa Ginoo. So dili ka na nato awak tangon. Hinaot, nga kini atong panagtapo karon, kini panagtigom ta nato, it always a full of joy, no, of happiness with our connection with each other. Muna nga hangyo na ko sa inyo ha, unta makakonect kita sa atong kapwa nga mga youth. So these days, it will become a full of joy, happiness as we have our parish youth camp. So, as your parish priest, I welcome you in our parish youth gathering.